The cabin air filter in 2011 to 2021 Chrysler 300 models is located behind the passenger side glove compartment. To access it, first ensure the vehicle is parked safely. Open the glove box fully. Then gently press the glove box stops inward on both sides to release the hinges, allowing the glove box to lower completely without disconnecting it. Locate the rectangular plastic filter housing secured by clips or screws. Unlatch or unscrew the housing cover, usually held by 2 to 4 fasteners. Finally, pull out the old filter, noting its orientation. Arrows typically indicate airflow direction. With the old filter removed, insert the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring it matches the original orientation. Airflow arrows typically point toward the cabin. Secure the housing cover using the clips or screws you previously removed. Reattach the glove box by aligning the hinges and snapping the stops back into place. Chrysler recommends replacing the filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, but consider more frequent changes, 10,000 to 15,000 miles, in dusty or polluted environments. OEM filters cost $15 to $30, while aftermarket options range from $5 to $20. Regularly replacing the cabin air filter improves air quality, prevents H performance decline, and avoids potential mold growth.